Welcome back to Recipe Rookie. If you're new here, this is a show where I learn to cook one meal at a time. Tonight we're making crab cakes, asparagus, and baked potatoes. Tonight we're going to pan fry our crab cakes, which has never been attempted in this house by anyone. People who can cook and people who can't. We need to get those ingredients. Meal. Are you ready to see what we got? We have Phillips Crab Special. Take that right off. I'm gonna cut my hand. Okay, look at that. It didn't do anything. It didn't hurt myself. There we go. We got that crab meat. Right here, we have mayonnaise and mustard. The breadcrumbs. Old Bay seasoning, parsley flakes, and dry mustard. Trust me, Worcestershire sauce. Worcester. And last but not least, this is melted butter. Everyone's favorite, the egg. Those are our ingredients for the crab cake. To go along with the crab cake on the side, we've got asparagus and a bag. Oh, crap. Luckily it didn't. It sort of spilled. Oh, man. Here's a bag of russet potatoes. I don't know what that really means, but I'll have to look it up later. But it is an excellent source of vitamin C. Those are our ingredients. It's time to cook. We're going to start with the baked potato. All right. Basically, do I use soap? I don't use soap, but we just give it a nice little, and we're gonna just dry these off a little bit. And you know where they go next? The AI microwave. Hello, Mr. AI microwave. How are you today? I'm doing fine. The directions call for a certain time limit, all these, but we don't need that when you have AI microwave. You just say, potato. Why isn't it doing it today? Oh, let's make some crab cakes. Okay, here we are. Let's start with the mayo and the mustard. Next, the Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Oh, yeah. Next, parsley flakes, Old Bay, and dry mustard. The breadcrumbs that I spilled with the baked potato. Okay. Oh, no, it's on my iPad. I did it. Oh, man. No problem. It's just a little bit of mustard and whatever the heck is on there. You guys ready for this? Are you ready? But what keeps the eggshell from not coming? You're kidding me. Oh, ready? Again. I kind of like it now. Ready? Oh God, now there's shell in it. I don't know if I should recommend this now. Okay, no problem. Then I'm gonna just, eggs. And then butter. Let me get my little thing that I'm not gonna spill in there, all right. Oh, came out a lot faster. 2 of them. Oh. It comes out so fast. So we've got all the ingredients. Look at that. There's the crab cakes. Fold it.
Anyone watching Schitt's Creek will know that joke.
Next step is to fold in the cheese.
What does that mean?
Okay, I'm folding, I guess. All right, I think that's enough folding. So now, guess what? Gloves. All right. I have a plate here. I'm going to just put my hands in and create a patty. Okay. So, okay, look at that. Number 1. Number 2. 2. 3. I can't count. All right, I need another plate. We're gonna put these in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes now so they can chill. All right. Asparagus, let's get it ready so we can put it in the oven. So I'm going to take them and lay them out on this nice plate. It's like a whole little forest of trees here, bamboo trees. What about this scary one? That's scary looking. Oh!
You did that on purpose.
Then it's gone. I'm not using this. No. We're going to use olive oil. So here we go. We're going to use some kosher salt. And ground pepper. Garlic powder. Do a little mixing. Think that looks good? We're gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. The problem is they're not staying together really great. Like in the original. Okay, 2. Hey Google, set a timer for 3 minutes, 30 seconds.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Starting now.
Flip them in 3.5 minutes. See what happens.
I don't know, but I found these.
I'm not talking to you! And I don't want to see that! What is it even showing me? If you pour a little too much oil past... What? It's referring to oil in a car. That doesn't even make sense. Hey Google, show me the timer.
There's 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining.
Thanks.
Just doing my job.
What? I didn't ask for any talk back! Hey Google, show me the timer.
T-minus 1 minute and 24 seconds.
Thank you. Now leave it on that screen.
All right. Resetting for 3 minutes and 30.
No, I did not say that! Hey Google, stop timer.
According to Wikipedia,
No!
John Felix Anthony Cena is
I'm not asking about John Cena. Hey Google, stop. I've had it up to here with you. Okay, it's time to flip. Yeah, these are way better. Can't. I'm not a good flipper. Oh yeah, these are good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are pro. Take a look at what we got here. Think these are ready to go? Look at that. Look at that potato, the crab cake, asparagus, and that's just some tartar sauce. So, from everyone here at the Recipe Rookie, thank you. Have a great night. Josh and, oh, no, Bowser! Do you like the food? You like the food? A bag. Oh, crap. Excuse me. I didn't cough in the bowl, I don't think. Let's try it. Oh, wait, why was I licking my finger? Oh, right there. Oh. Oh, oh no, it's on my iPad. So we're gonna use, no.